everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Brian. I have been missing for about a week. I've been a little sick. I've been working a lot, so haven't been able to put up a video, but got one for you today. And this one is a piece of work, literally. I haven't painted in about 2.5 weeks. I almost kind of forgot how to paint, really. But this painting, I decided I wanted to do one of those little swipe and spins, and it just didn't work out. I ended up converting it over to a bloom, which I'm very happy with because I wrecked it. I didn't just leave it as a regular looking bloom. So let's get down on the canvas. I'll show you what happened. I'll speed you up because a lot of things are going on. You don't need to see everything. But I will speed it up so you don't have to see it all in its entirety. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got is a little 14 by 14 gallery wrap canvas. So I'm gonna do another just a swipe and spin. I'm really loving these little smaller canvases. So my base coat is going to be the Artist Loft Soft Body White. And then I'm just using 4 colors. This is Prussian Blue from Amsterdam. This is a Emerald Green, almost minty. This is from Creative Inspirations. 24 karat gold. And this one I love is Pearl Turquoise from Arteza. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna just lay out some white. Okay, so this has got a lot more paint on the canvas than I'm gonna need. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to have enough paint so when I lay my paints out and I spin it, they're gonna spread with ease. I don't want my paints to spread and it be hard for them to move. I'm just gonna torch this to get rid of the air bubbles. So my first color I'm going to put down is my Prussian Blue. And I'm just going to lay these colors on top of each other, but kind of zigzagging. Go with the gold. That's the Pearl Turquoise. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. I think I'm gonna have enough paint. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black Cell Activator, which is my oxide black, and my Australian Floetrol. It's mixed 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. I'm gonna coat the back of my palette knife here, and I'm gonna just swipe through here and be done. Swipe through there, there, and there. Give it a little spin, and then I'll probably stretch it out as well. I'm gonna start right here. And just press lightly and go straight up through the color. I'm going to give this a spin and see where the colors go. Everything is spinning off, it looks like. Stretch this down here. I tried to do a little zigzag swipe, but I did not like the composition. So I'm gonna just pour right back over top of this. And I'm gonna do kind of like a bloom. So I'm just gonna do more white here. Allow that to spread out a little bit. I'm gonna do, so this is Prussian blue, Amsterdam. Emerald green from Creative Inspirations. $24K gold. And Arteza pearl turquoise. I'm going to do a little white CA here in the center. Also some permanent red violet. And some white CA. All right, guys, here we are with the wet results. So this is very abstract. I'm loving what's happening with the cells and the lacing. Look how cool that is there. All right, we'll see this one when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so that is it. I didn't show you guys an outside dry result because I ended up putting resin on this because I loved it so much. Check it out. It's so beautiful. I love the rectness of it. I'm loving this quinacridone magenta, how it kind of turned purple in there. The gold didn't take over too much, but the wrecking and everything really made that piece. It just came out great. I'm very, very happy with it. So, yeah, great. I love the resin on it too. Just really turned out great. So, all right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Sorry I've been missing, but I should be back into my normal programming on Sundays and Wednesdays. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.